Type of combustion. Generally, we divide type of combustion into four categories. Number one, rapid combustion, that burn very fast. Slow combustion, incomplete combustion, and complete combustion. First, we take rapid combustion. Rapid combustion. During this rapid combustion, a lot of heat and light, some cases light and some cases no light, is produced. The example, if we burn coal, that is carbon, C plus O2, CO2 plus CO2 plus a lot of heat and light. Next, natural gas or methane gas. When this burn, it will produce CO2 plus H2O, water vapor, carbon dioxide gas, water vapor plus heat and light. LPG, it comes in cylinder as a cooking gas in your home. LPG, the main constituent of LPG is butane, that is C4H10. It also when burned produces carbon dioxide plus water, and heat and light are produced. You can say that when carbon combined with oxygen form carbon dioxide, and when hydrogen combined with oxygen form water vapor. Next, magnesium. We generally use it during Diwali, Chhat Puja in the form of firecracker. It will burst with blazing light but catches fire not easily. After more heating, when it catches fire, it will form magnesium oxide, MgO, magnesium plus heat and light. Now we will study slow combustion. Here heat is produced but no light is produced. This is respiration. Digested food burn in our cells to produce energy. Here digested food, that is glucose C6H12O6 plus oxygen, it will produce a CO2 plus H2O plus heat energy. Heat energy for our life process. Next, we will see the slow combustion, incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion. One thing, keep in mind, slow combustion is also called a spontaneous combustion. Incomplete, during this type of combustion take place in case of insufficient supply of oxygen. Means if there is very little oxygen, this incomplete combustion will take place, forming suppose C plus O2. If the quantity of oxygen is less, then it will form carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. This type of combustion is called incomplete combustion. Here some carbons are left unburned. If this further burn, it will produce carbon dioxide and also a lot of heat. Therefore, this gas is carbon monoxide is combustible gas. One thing keep in mind, during this gas is very injurious to health. It is poisonous and it forms a permanent complex compound with the hemoglobin, and thus the respiration cease, means the patient cannot be carried to the hospital. It will die on the way. Next thing, complete combustion. This type of combustion take place when the sufficient supply of air is available. Means C plus O2, comparing to C, C plus O2 on CO2 plus heat plus heat. This type of combustion you have to complete. The carbon dioxide is not poisonous, but it can reach the atmospheric temperature, as it is a greenhouse gas that has ability to absorb solar energy, and thus the temperature of atmosphere rises year by year, and this phenomena is known as greenhouse effect, that causes less rainfall, sometimes flood, etc. Natural calamities occur due to this presence of greenhouse gas, that is carbon dioxide gas. Methane gas CH4 is also a greenhouse gas, but we produce this gas enormously by burning fuel in factories, in homes, in vehicles. Therefore, we should avoid it. Now we will study the different qualities of fuels and burning of fuels. What should be the quality of fuels, and next claim in next video or next day.